Hello everyone, Checkmate here, and in today's video I will teach you how to texture your object in Blender. This is a beginner's tutorial, therefore I will teach you only basic texturing, and in future videos I will step by step improve the level. First of all, let's have our default cube to texture it. Right now we are in solid object mode. To color it, to see the color when you are coloring it, you have to go into viewport mode. Now you are in viewport mode. Now you can see when we change the color. To change the color, you can come here in the right bottom area on material properties. When you click it, this menu will appear. First of all, press new. After pressing new, this new menu will be appear. For basic, you will only need the base color, the metallic property, the roughness, and the transmission. To change the color, you have to click on base color, and from this bar you can change the color. Let's have it blue. From this bar you can select the white and black intensity of the color. Like right now this is light and now it is getting darker, like this. After this, we can select the metallic nature of the texture. From this bar, you can increase it to see how metallic it looks. It is useful when you are making metal tools, robots or something like that. Down that, here is the roughness menu. This you can use to make mirrors, water or surfaces that are very reflective or that are not reflective at all. You can decrease it like this and increase the roughness like this. You can see the change here right now. Now for the transmission value, this make it transparent like water. You use this value with relation to roughness when you are making water or transparent glass like this. You can see how the material is changed from a default cube to this. Always remember to see the colors that are you putting on it. You have to be in viewport, not in solid. You can't see in solid view. You have to go into preview like this. Other than that, you can also do emissions. The emissions are here. Now the cube is emitting light, that is emission. You can increase the intensity of the light or decrease it like this. That's all for today. Please experiment with the texturing and try if you can do something, and we will learn how to set up the camera for the object in next video. Thank you.